Morning guys, Danielle from Back to Life Bodyworks here. Last week I shared with you something called, actually two different things, the rest assess, where we find where we hold stuck stress in our bodies. So I'm going to invite you to start with that and find out where you're holding on to stuck stress. And I also shared with you something called gentle rocking, and that's part of the rebalance sequence of the Mount method. And so today I want to share with you the rest of the rebalance sequence. So I know there's been a lot of uncertainty in our world, a lot of anxiety going on, and this can be really good for tamping down that stress response, improving, the quality of your sleep, your ability to rest and recover from exercise, all that good stuff. So if you want to start with the rest assess and find out where you're holding stuck stress, and then jump on and we're ready to rock and roll in the rebalance sequence. One caveat, you're going to want a soft roller. You're not going to want to do this with one of the hard rollers. It's just too stimulating on the nervous system. It's just going to be irritating, cause more anxiety and stress, and we don't want any of that, right?